Using a NatWest credit card in 2023 is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge. To get the most out of it, first, you need to apply for a NatWest credit card by visiting their official website or going to a local branch. Once your application is approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail along with a PIN and instructions on how to activate it. To activate your NatWest credit card, you can either call the phone number provided with your card or use the NatWest mobile app. You will need to provide some personal details and your card information to complete the activation process. After activation, you can start using your credit card for purchases, either online or in store. When using your NatWest credit card, make sure to keep track of your spending and stay within your credit limit. You can check your balance and transactions online or through the mobile app. It is also important to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or interest charges. One of the best ways to use a NatWest credit card is to take advantage of the rewards and benefits that come with it. Many NatWest credit cards offer cashback, travel points, or other rewards for certain types of purchases. You can also use your credit card for purchases abroad, as NatWest credit cards are widely accepted. To get the most out of your NatWest credit card, it is recommended to set up a direct debit to ensure that your payments are made on time. You should also try to pay more than the minimum payment each month to pay off your balance quickly and avoid interest charges. Additionally, consider setting a budget and tracking your expenses to stay on top of your spending. In terms of security, NatWest credit cards come with advanced security features such as contactless payments and chip technology. You should also keep your credit card and PIN safe, and never share your card details with anyone. If you notice any suspicious transactions on your account, contact NatWest customer service immediately. Overall, using a NatWest credit card in 2023 requires some basic knowledge and responsible spending habits. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your credit card and enjoy the rewards and benefits that come with it. Remember to always keep track of your spending, make your payments on time, and take advantage of the security features that come with your credit card.